Hello everyone, it's RickArter here, and today I'd like to show you guys another how-to video. Today I want to show you guys how to remove a 4-pin Molex connector, whether it be from a power supply or from a 6-pin connector. Here is what I'm using. Basically, the tools that you're going to need for this operation are some tape, paper and a pen, scissors, and something to remove your pins from the Molex connector. Now let me go over why I have all this stuff here. To start out, first you're going to need your whatever your Molex source is. I'm using a Molex to 6-pin adapter here, which I'm going to sleeve. And paper and pen, that's basically for, as you can see here, I have a 3-pin connector that I did previously, and I wrote down where the wires go and stuff like that. But on here, the reason why I have the tape is because on these Molex connectors, what I did was I just wrote the letters of where the wires go. Made it easier for me. And as you can see, I did that on both of them. I've already removed one of these, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove one here in a second. The scissors are for well, you're going to need the scissors when you start the sleeving if that's what you're doing, but if not, if there's any tags or anything on here and you decide that you want to sleeve it, then you're going to have to cut those tags off. You don't have to, I guess. You could wrap it around the wire and then sleeve over it, but I prefer to give it, that fully clean look, and so I just cut the little tag that was on here off. And let's get all this out of the way. Basically, to remove these pins, what you're going to need to do is, if you look close up on one of these, might kind of be hard to see, but it's basically like a bullet shape, and it's got 2 little metal tabs that stick out, and that's what holds it in place. So what you're going to need to do is take your, this is a from Sunbeam Tech power supply modding tool. Basically, you're going to need to kind of bend those tabs in. Now, you can use a tool like this if you have one, or if you want to go buy one if you're going to mod the whole power supply. It'll sure help. Or you can take a staple or a strong pin. All 3 of those can work really well. So basically what we're going to do, after you've marked out where your wires go, you want to find where the pins are, and then you're going to want to kind of bend them in a little bit. Sometimes they're kind of hard to get to. There we go, I got that one. There we go. And there you go. Pops right out. Do the rest of them here real quick. Be able to get the other one. Sometimes it'll take 1 or 2 tries before you just don't want to it. There you go. As you can see, all of our wires are taken off there now. So this is ready if you want to switch these out for the easy grip ones. I know Vantech is a company that makes them. Or if you're going to do like I am and you're going to sleeve this, then you're ready to go in the sleeving. So, and to install these, it's basically a reverse procedure, but you can't just pop these back in since you push these pins in here. What you're going to have to do is get a small needle, because I don't think this is small enough to do it. It might be. But what you're going to need to do is where you pushed in, and I know it's hard to see, I apologize, but where you see the little tabs that you pushed in, take the needle or a very, very small screwdriver, flathead, like a jeweler's screwdriver if you have it, and just kind of bend them back out until they flare out a little bit. And then just pop them right back in to where you marked off your wires there, or on your little diagram as I have here for the 3-pin, and connect it up and make sure they're all fully seated in there after you connect it, and disconnect it and reconnect it just to make sure everything's fully good, and you're set to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you learned how to remove a Molex connector and install one. I'll have a lot more how-to videos to come, so have a great day, guys. Talk to you later.